For safe and optimum use, quality checks are regularly conducted for industrial components, wherein tubes and pipes are the crucial components. Flattening test is one of the quality tests which purpose is to determine ultimate plastics deformation ability of pipe and to determine whether or not the tube will rupture upon flattening. First, the diameter of the tube is measured. Second, the tube is placed flat in the machine. Third, the pressure is applied. The measurement of flattened tube is taken and the tube is observed closely whether cracks are developed or not. If there are no cracks, then the specimen is qualified. We will learn more about mechanical testing this month. Until then, stay connected and follow our social media channels for more updates.